Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to link as companion device on WhatsApp. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So for example, this is my main phone and I wanted this iPhone to be a companion device. So what you'll do is just go ahead and install WhatsApp right here on the second phone. Install it and wait for the process to finish. And then once that's installed, tap on open, then open up WhatsApp as well on your main phone. Okay, tap on agree and continue, allow or don't allow, skip the auto sign in, tap on the three dots right here at the top right, and tap on link as companion device, just like so. Now you'll be given a QR code. So on your main phone, go ahead and open up the three dots and linked devices, tap on link a device, and it will open up your camera. So basically point the camera to the QR code, just like so, and it will just log you in automatically. All right, and there you have it. It now says keep WhatsApp open on both devices. And here I have the messages from my main phone as well. All right, and that is how you link as a companion device on WhatsApp. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.